After a much needed nap, we decided to take advantage of the location and go explore the area around the hotel. The first stop for us was a Stevie Wonder mural right next to our hotel. We're walking.
Walk! Walk!
Yeah. After getting some photos and videos by the mural, we made our way towards Ford Field and Comerica Park.
My love boy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
We are over here at Ford Field where the Detroit Lions play. And then right across the street is Comerica Field, Comerica Park, where the Detroit Tigers play. My kids were loving the Tigers on top. Pretty cool. They had a game going on earlier. Like I said, we were watching the baseball game at the restaurant we were eating at. We couldn't believe we were in Detroit at this moment with our family. Never in our lives had we imagined coming to Detroit until doing this challenge. But one thing I really liked was Detroit in the evening feels alive but not overwhelming. You get the energy of the city without feeling lost in the crowd.
We're alone, you got my love, don't let it go.
To end the night, we stopped at the Peach Cobbler Factory. It was a clean place with friendly staff, and the smell alone made it worth the stop. Look at him. After all the walking and exploring, we needed something sweet, and Detroit delivered. The place had that modern dessert shop feel, spotless, welcoming, with the smell of warm cobbler in the air. The staff greeted us with smiles even though we came in right before closing. You could tell they took pride in their place. Since they were about to close, we decided to take our treats back to the hotel and eat in our room. Alright guys, here's our haul from the Peach Cobbler Factory. Ata got a strawberry Belgian waffle. Lamona got a chocolate chip Belgian waffle. This is mine with the ice cream. I got a strawberry peach cobbler. Ingrid got a New York cheesecake pudding, banana pudding. Is it banana pudding?
Yeah, banana pudding.
Yeah, banana pudding. And then this is Sissy's. She got a vanilla cinnamon roll. And we came back to the hotel to eat because they were closing. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's dig in. Sissy's gonna try some of mine.
Actually, I don't want food.
What do you think? Is mine better than yours? Yeah, it is. Mine's hecka good.
Do you like mommy's? The banana pudding?
Guys,
The New York
this
cheesecake?
is amazing.
Why did you do that? Babe.
How is your strawberry Belgian waffle, Audra?
Good.
Yeah? What do you give it?
11 and 11.
11 out of 11. Oh my goodness.
It's yummy.
What is it, girl?
Good.
What's your score? Move, hot dog.
11 out of 11.
Nice. That means very good, yeah? Awesome. Awesome.
And I have a drink.
Oh, yep. You got an orange Coke. Alright. Lamona wants to reveal his.
Yours is better.
You could probably guess what he's gonna give.
Yours is better than mine.
I give it 6 out of 10 because it's kind of so sweet.
Oh.
And I don't like the so sweet stuff.
So you should have gotten one of what I got, huh? Because mine was good. Sorry about it, sir.
Hey guys, I got the New York cheesecake banana pudding.
Mommy, like daddy in the head.
It was good. It was good. I do wish though that it had a little bit more crunch. But it was good. We finished it.
For dinner, we got banchan, Korean fried chicken. We were gonna go to Fixin' Soul Food Kitchen, but the line was so long and it was like an hour and a half wait. So we're gonna go there for brunch tomorrow. But let me show you guys what we got. So this is what the babies got. All three of them, they just wanted a Korean corn dog. But they got this with the sweet mayo. Ingrid and I, this is just for everyone to try. We got the Seoul sampler, like Seoul as in Korea. We got the Korean barbecue wings. It has 2 drumsticks in it as well. Then we got the coleslaw, order of rice. We got some Korean street corn. Over here we have the bulgogi fries. This is everything we got from banchan. All right, everyone, it is the end of the day. We're winding down, so just wanted to ask the kids and Ingrid how today was and how it went. So let's get to it.
Hi, it's me, Lamona. Today was a great day. We had lots of walking and lots of sitting down and resting. And we had lots of eating and stuff. We hope you see the next video.
What was your favorite part of today?
My favorite part was when we were going to the park and when I was getting my egg and my steak.
So that was your favorite food for today?
Yeah, and it's been the best day because we love Korean corn dogs. I hope you try them. Bye.
Adios.
Adios, amigos.
Hi everyone, my name is Data and my dad's recording me.
What was your favorite part from today?
I like when we go get our pancake.
Your strawberry waffle?
Oh yeah, and I liked it. It was so yummy. I like when we go get the waffle. And I like when we come back to the hotel.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah. Goodbye. Adios, Comerica.
Adios.
Hello.
What was your favorite part from today?
When we went to the park.
Campus Martius, that's the park you're talking about. How about your favorite food?
The Korean corn dog.
Of course, you ate yours all. Did you have fun today?
We're going back home when school starts.
Yeah, when school starts.
I like when we went on the plane ride today.
You love plane rides, huh?
Bounty Kids from Bounty Travels. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!
This is how the day went for these two. Huh. Tired. Need some rest. That's it for day 1. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of our Detroit adventure, including some seriously good food and a few unexpected finds.